معي به ترحيب حار يليق به وبرئيس مجلس إدارة نادي النصر السعودي الأستاذ مسلي. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm really delighted and excited to welcome you all to this historic event, the unveiling of the Portuguese star and the world's greatest footballer, Cristiano Ronaldo, as a Nasr player here at Marsoul Park, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Welcome, Cristiano.
Thank you.
Thank you. Well, yes. Announcing this historic transfer, your new club stated, "This is history in the making. This is a signing that will not only inspire our club to achieve even greater success, but inspire our league, our nation, and future generations, boys and girls, to be the best version of themselves." Cristiano, benvenuto a Arabia Saudita. Welcome to Saudi Arabia, your new home, and to Al Nassr, your new team. So you conquered Europe. Now a fresh new start in Asia, Saudi Arabia.
Well, so far feeling very good. I'm so proud to make this big decision in my life in football. As you mentioned before, in Europe, my work it's done. It's a new challenge, as you mentioned, in Asia. I'm grateful that Al Nassr gave me this opportunity to show and develop not only for the football, but also for the generation, the young generation, the women's generation as well, for the young boys. And for me, it's a challenge, but in the same way, I feel very, very happy and very proud.
Definitely, and absolutely ready. What excites you and also your family who are here already with you about your new future in Saudi Arabia?
They are happy as well. You know, when I take my decisions, my family, they always support me, especially my kids and my wife as well. But it's good. They are very happy. The welcome yesterday was amazing. We feel good here. Saudi Arab people, they are lovely with me and with my family, so I'm really proud.
You already felt it. Well, Cristiano, you have always been ambitious. What are you hoping to achieve on and off the pitch in Saudi Arabia?
Well, for me, it's a pleasure to be here. I feel the welcome that they give to me, to my family, and of course I will give my best for this club, Al Nassr. Thank you, everybody. جميل. وش رايكم بالاصفر على كريستيانو؟ كلام جميل. Well, what I expect to achieve is to make people happy, to enjoy myself, to help the country to be better and better and better. Not only a football man, but always the feminine football, which is the people don't know. I know the league is competitive. People they don't know that, but the league is very competitive, and I want to make people happy. This is my goal.
Amazing.
opportunity to say, me and my family, we want to say thank you all of you for this support, for